Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this bronzy glowy look. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
Okay, you guys, so starting off, I'm going to be using this face oil that I got on my Ipsy bag. And then I'm going to be rubbing it all over my face, following it with a primer called Thank Me Later, which is really smooth. And then I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild primer spray in coconut. Next, I'll be using the BB cream, Garnier BB cream, I think that's what it's called. And I decided to use a BB cream because this is kind of like a natural look. And since I was focusing more on the primers to make my face look glowy, I wanted to go with a light foundation. So I decided to just use BB cream instead. So next I'll be using the Jefree Star Magic Star Concealer, and I'm going to be using this to hide my dark circles and on the high points of my face. As you guys can see, I was kind of struggling because I'm actually running out of this concealer already, which sucks. After this, I'm going to be using the Magic Star powder in the shade beige, and I'm just going to set a little bit just because since we're focusing more of a glowy look, I don't want to put much powder. Then I'm going to be going with the contour stick from Wet n Wild and contour my face. Then I'm going to be using the highlight from Wet n Wild as well and put that on the high points of my face. I wanted to go with a liquid highlighter before I go with an actual highlighter because like I said, this is a glowy look. So I know a liquid highlighter will make that pop. Now I'm going to be contouring my face with the Master Chrome contour palette. And I'm pretty much going to put it where I put the cream contour, kind of just like, I guess, setting it. Don't forget that double chin, girl. Now I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra blush. And I'm going to be putting this on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to be cutting my contour to make it look clean as fuck and very sharp. After this, you guys, I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows with the Ebony Anastasia dipbrow pomade. And for this look, we are using the Daisy Marquez palette, and we're using the kind of orangey bronzy shade. I will leave it on the description box, everything that I used. Also, I know you guys couldn't see on this eye, it was really hard for me to record, but I'm gonna be showing you guys the whole process on my next eye and how I pretty much dragged out my shadow. So as you guys can see, I started off with the lid, and then as I kept going more backwards, I kept dragging the shadow outwards more to make it look like an eyeliner with the shadow. It was like kind of doing like a triangle, as you guys can see, and it's actually very easy to do. I've been feeling this eyeshadow a lot lately.
Okay you guys, so I'm in the middle of the video. I don't have any glue to put my lashes on, and I just finished the whole look, and I am so pissed, so pissed. So what we're gonna do is end this video with mascara. So I'm just gonna keep going with the look and hope you guys enjoy it, even though I'm gonna look so basic without lashes.
So for mascara, I used the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and I was actually really trying to make my lashes show, but it was really hard because I do have some shitty ass lashes, so bear with me, guys. So after I'm done with the lashes, I'm just gonna remove the powder and set my face with the Wet n Wild spray. And now I'm gonna be adding a highlighter that I also got on my Ipsy bag, so I don't know what it's called but I'm adding that on the high points of my face. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Chi, and topping it up with the So Juicy lip gloss, which I think is called Princess, or I'm pretty sure it's just a plump lip gloss, I'm not sure. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to keep watching my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.